want you back. You was by my side, yeah.
What's good everyone, it's your boy Big Man back in another video. Today we are doing another Corsa video. So I did partly record this video. So I was getting the mud flaps. I ordered them from eBay, they're about 20 quid. I ordered them from eBay. And essentially I was going to put them on my car and I was going to have the mud flaps. I was going to show you me putting them on, everything, but this video has gone to shit. Sorry for my language, but this video has gone to shit. So we was going to video them putting them on and that. They didn't fit, they were too small. There was no fittings for the actual arches for the mud flaps to fit on. Even with the ones I've got on now that I sorted, they still don't fit properly. I highly believe this car has mud flaps from factory, whatever, OEM. So we eventually got on, thank you to my friend Aaron, I think that's how you say it, Aaron, he sorted me out. Instagram will be here. He's got a Corsa, the 2015 version of the LE, and he had the original mud flaps for his one. So he took them off and he was selling them, so I bought them off him. So I went up there with my dad, we went up and got them, and then we came back, and then today, well yesterday, we fitted them on Friday, and they surprisingly took us 2 hours. My hub seized on one of the wheels. Just drama to try and get these bloody mud flaps on, but we eventually done it, and I'm just here to say that we've done it. We fitted the mud flaps. I don't think mud flaps suit this car. Well, no, they suit it from the outside, but if you're going to put them on, it's just a pain in the arse. I would recommend taking it to a garage, but me and my dad done it together, and I didn't really have any time to record it. So here it is. This is going to be what the mud flaps look like on. Let me know what you think. I know it's a very short video. I just wanted to show you me putting them on. Also, do not buy the ones off eBay. I highly recommend you do not buy the ones off eBay. I watched Jesse Something's video and he said, oh, these fit your Corsa and all that. They don't. They're like that small and the wheel sticks out the other side like this much. They do not fit your Corsa one bit. So don't buy the ones off eBay. Try and get someone on the Corsa group chat on Facebook or something. Or if you know someone with Corsa mud flaps on their car, and just ask them, are you going to sell them? I'm not selling mine. I'm not taking them off ever again. I'm not dealing with the drama. I'm keeping these on until I sell the car, and if the person wants them off and they're buying it, then they can take them off. I want to do more Corsa videos, but obviously that's kind of stopped the whole momentum at the moment. I've also ordered something else that I'm going to be putting on the car, record that. Obviously, as you know, the last video I've done was I debadged my car, so we've got something else coming. I'm also going to be fixing the front of my bumper. It's all peeling off, like where it was already like that when I bought the car. Obviously it's used, but yeah, so I'm going to be fixing that up, redoing my paint black on the front bumper. It's actually kind of peeled off a bit where we hydro dipped it. It didn't work very well, so we forgot to put a coating on it, so we're going to have to do that again. But yeah, so I'm going to get into some cinematics of what it looks like on my car, talk through a little bit about how we've done it. I don't want to make this video too long because it's quite a boring video. Mud flaps, wow. But yeah, got the exhaust coming very soon. That won't, I don't know if I can put that on yet because my insurance, they're a bit, but yeah. So without further ado, let's get into the mud flaps. Alright guys, so we're outside now, and as you can see the mud flaps are looking sexy on this car. So it's a very long story about how we actually got these on, but essentially there is no fittings in here for this mud flap to be on. So we had to put a bigger nail up here, no in there, no in there, no in there, and it's just a whole lot of ball, like, honestly, to put these on. So I recommend not doing mud flaps on your Corsa. It's too much effort. I've done it because I wanted them and I bought them, and I'm not going to waste the money and not put them on. But yeah, that's a little bit about the mud flaps, the cinematics of them. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I just thought I'd show you about the mud flaps. Also, if you guys have seen on the number plate, apparently we can't have 3D or 4D now. Let me know in the comments if that's true. And yeah, right guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next Corsa video. Peace.